Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install the latest Kodi 21.3 Omega on any of your ONN TV or Google TV devices. The process is the same across all ONN TV models, so you can follow along no matter which device you have. We'll start by enabling developer options, then use a downloader code to install Kodi quickly and easily. So first, using your remote, go to the top menu and select the settings icon on the right. Scroll down and choose System, then select About from the list. Now scroll all the way down to Android TV OS build. This is the key step, so pay attention. Click on this option 7 times continuously. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, a message will pop up saying, "You are now a developer." That means you've successfully completed this. Next, press the Home button once on your remote. And let's move on to installing the Downloader app. This app will let us install all your favorite apps on your ONN device. Navigate to the top menu and select Apps. Then, search for Downloader using the search bar. There are several apps named Downloader, but we need this one, which is at the top of the list. Click Install, and within a few minutes, the Downloader app will be ready. While it's downloading, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once installed, open the Downloader app. The first time you launch it, it will ask you to accept the necessary permissions to work properly. Click on the hashtag icon and type this code 8533602. This code will redirect you to my ONN TV Hacks downloader page, where all the apps are neatly organized for you to install. To find Kodi from the list, simply select IPTV Media Player category and scroll down. There's the Kodi app. To install it, you just need to click on it and then wait for it to download automatically. Most of the apps listed on our downloads page begin downloading automatically, but if they don't, you'll be asked to press the download icon to start. After that, click Install and complete the process. Click Done, and now press Delete to remove the APK files. Don't worry, these are just installer files, and deleting them will not delete the app that we just downloaded. Okay, so now press the Home button, and this time make sure to connect to your VPN, as we are using a third-party app here, so it's always better to stay protected. If you don't have a VPN, then you can get one for a discount with my link provided in the description for a significant discount. Now we will again need to go to the Apps menu and launch the Kodi app, which will be all the way to the end of the list. There it is. Hope you found this video helpful. Since the channel is new, make sure to smash that subscribe button for more ONN TV streaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.